What's up, people? Elvis here from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is August 31st, 2011. And as always, to get the same watch list used in my videos, hit up the blog in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. And to keep up to date, use the subscribe buttons here. I am on Facebook. You can keep up to date using the Facebook like button on my page here. Also, there's other key information in this morning post that's up between 8:20 8:40. We have the watch list, obviously, earnings, economic calendar, upgrades, downgrades, and the gap stocks link there. Also, if you guys have any questions about day trading or any of my trades in general, or even my day trading system, click the contact button and I will get back to you. And the trading system is still half price here, so take advantage while you can. It's still there, not for very long. So anyway, we are gapping up in the markets. I guess due to the yesterday's positive FOMC minutes. That's my guess there. We do have a pretty good economic calendar out today. We have the factory orders at 10, Chicago PMI. So we should have a pretty volatile trading session, even despite the that event over the weekend, the hurricane. Also, I am putting out this extra video out basically because I did deprive you guys of videos last week. So that's why I'm putting out this this extra one basically, or just giving you guys more since a deprivation. Anyway, I'll be back when the market opens up. I already looked for negative to positive, did not find anything, and just to recap what a negative to positive should look like is just like this PANL right here. As soon as it pops up, and there we go. Basically what we look for are these, is a basic two range days. The previous day should match up with its previous day. So this is Tuesday's action and this is Monday's action. And also the key thing here is we want the two previous days closed lines to line up. And you guys can get all of the, well, most of these Thinkorswim scripts that you see on this chart window. You could basically get them all on my blog, right under here under Think Scripts. And somebody asked me about this one today, the this the tick chart label. I will be adding that onto there, so just be patient. Well, don't be patient. By the time I put out this video, it should be up there. So I promise you guys I'll put that one up. Everything else you could basically get. You just can't get the buy-sell signals, which you see on here. So anyway, I'll be back when the market opens up in about 8 minutes, 7 minutes here. Alright, here we go. Market's open. Actually, we got a nice little buy signal on the SPYs here, right on the open. Anyway, I'll be back with something. I might trade these Qs here on the open. Maybe not touching that yet. You know what, I'm gonna try it. Give it a shot. My stop here is 18 cents. So I'll update you guys. Actually, it is 19. So let's change my stop there. Not really the wise thing to do here to buy the open, but just the action I've seen on the SPYs pre-market. These the signals here have basically been right on point. So I'm buying the open based on my system here. Alright, so there it goes, more or less, and we're basically through the pre-market highs here. I don't really think I'm going to give this that much room. I mean, I might just get flat here if this doesn't want to follow through. I think it is. That's what my system's telling me. So anyway, I'll update you guys. So far, looks good there. Basically got up 15 right here, real quick. This thing's gonna rip. I might take this off here. Take a 10 cents if I don't get 20. Just put an order out at 46 to give me that 10 cents, 20 cents rather. And I'll just basically taking off 800 shares and I'll hold 200. Alright, just got taken out there. So I got 200 shares left. Let's see how that goes. So satisfied with nice first trade on the open. So it was also saying the reason I took this one. I really liked how I've been watching the SPY chart, just looking at it. The buy signal has really been explosive. So these two exploded basically, and this one came up after another little obvious little sell move, and then it exploded. So that's why I took it, and I'm gonna close this out. Got fill 35. All right, good trade. Good trade off the open. 170, 17 cents, however you want to look at it. So yeah, that's why I took the trade. I was taking a look at the SPYs, and that's what I saw. It's pretty easy. It doesn't look like that in the Qs. That's why most of us we all look at the SPY. Anyway, I'll be back with something else. First trade, confidence builder, all that good stuff. I'll be back with something else. Alright, looks like probably gonna sit and wait for a while. Just let those news events come out and see where the market goes from there. Alright, bought a little FCX here just with the market coming in. Not risking much here. So 600 shares long at 30. Just trying out it's like a half-assed range play right here. The breakout, I'm just looking at the bodies of the candles. The breakout here would have been 27. So just, that's basically where I'm putting my stop. At around 27, put it at 25, and looking for this to break out to highs. And I could have went short at 20, 23. So basically up 10 cents here. I'll get flat if it comes back to my entry. Looking for this thing to break out to highs. It's gapped up way above the previous day's high, and there's some pre-market prints, and there's some pretty high ones there. There's one at 48, 48.01. Not that it's gonna get there, but it's possible. There's also a breakout area looking at the daily chart. Breakout is 47.60, so we're 30 cents away from that. If it breaks out over that, then it could be off to the races. But playing short term, just trying to scalp it up here as always. And I'll update you guys. Like I said, I'll get flat if this thing comes back to my entry. So I'll update you guys. Alright, we're on highs right now. The market's at lows. That's how this works. There we go. New highs printed, and we are looking at that 60 area now. See if FCX could really get rolling here. Alright, just sold 200 shares there. We're almost at that 60 area. Just taking some off while I hit my 20-cent target. See if it gets through that 60. Like I said, 59 was that area. There it goes. It's gonna rip here. This might be resistance too. I'm just going to close it out there. It's a nice little scalp trade on 600 shares, 160. It's about 30 cents there. Nice trade. And market just ripped right back to highs. Looking at the news, no clue why. No clue on that. Interesting. We didn't even get that Chicago PMI yet. That's coming out in 3 minutes. But this seemed to be also a breakout play, this FCX. Anyway, I'll be back with something else. See what else is going on here. This was definitely nice. Still going. Wouldn't be surprised if it hit the whole number here. Alright, comes that Chicago PMI. It's our first economic news event we were waiting for. So it was above the estimate. It's positive. And just gonna sit and probably wait also until 10 o'clock until that other news event comes out. Man, there's FCX hit the whole number. Left a lot of the move on the table right there. About 40 cents. Our market's ripping up here. I'm gonna try what I guess what you call a cute play, cute short here. I'm not filled on it, but let's see if it does fill me. Trying to get short this RDC off the sell signal right there at 84. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get filled, but I'll keep the order out there and see. Got up here to 82. I took it back down. See, I might still get a fill. Anyway, I'll update you guys on this, or I'll just be back with a different idea. Alright, market made a new high, kind of ripping here. I might actually get a fill. It's also looking at another cute idea. This DHR short. This meets my risk criteria. Yeah, I'm going to stick with this RDC. I'll update you guys here. Like I said, if I don't get a fill, I'll just be back with something different. And I might even close out this order. That news is coming out at 10. I don't want to have any positions open. Alright, just close the order out there. Let's just forget about this thing. Looks like it's going to crack the moving average too and get a little move lower. So a news event is coming out in about 2 minutes. So just going to sit around and wait. So we have the factory orders coming out right now. That's the news event we're waiting for. And pretty nice sell signal here on FCX. Let's see what this factory orders is all about here. Seems like it's positive. Yeah, it's positive, so I don't know about taking any shorts right here. This does meet my criteria right now. You know what? Just gonna try a little bit, and you know, gotta give it a shot. So I'll update you guys. Got a crazy move, this thing. It's crazy. Still has room to go up to 60, I believe. 60 cents. Is it 60 or 46? Well, I think I got it pretty much at a good price, at a good spot, and this one should work out well. I already did pull into the whole number. I'm expecting him maybe to crack down below that. Anything's possible. It's as long as I follow my rules, it'll be a good trade. Alright, just added to it here. My average is basically the same, 21, 22. I expect a pull back to probably the whole number again, or maybe down to the fast line moving average. Just gonna follow all the rules here. There's I think what is this? Well, a 10 period. This is an 8 period. 10 period lies at currently 47.91, so it could pull down to there. Just really gonna follow the rules here, and I'll be safe if I do. So I'll update you guys here. Alright, got me my 10 cents here. Got an order out to cover some at 48.01. Almost got there. I got my 15, so definite profits here. I'll take mine off at 48.11. If I see the ask get right there, I'm out. I'll update you guys. It might happen quick. I'll try to get my fills on video for you guys though. Alright, there it is. I'm out. So took my 10 cents. I got filled at 48.10. So I got 11 cents out of that actually. Anyway, on to the next, guys. And this DHR hasn't even printed buy yet. It definitely meets my criteria on risk because highs at 05. Thinking about pulling the trigger, not sure though. The tick is still positive, and the market is kind of in a corrective state as far as maybe some profit taking there. We're gonna try a little bit there. Very little risk. 600 shares filled at 01, and my stop is 06. So 5 cents of risk to definitely make a lot more. I'll update here. Alright, things looking a little better. Ticker alert. Getting a lot of stocks in new lows. I don't know what kind of stocks those are, but it's definitely some making new lows. Markets looks like there's some profit taking. Like I said, tick is getting a little bit weaker. It's definitely something going on, and just gonna follow the rules. As soon as I'm up 10 cents, gonna put my stop right to that whole number. I'll update here. Now we got a pretty strong negative tick reading. It's over 200. I'd like to see 500, and that'll work out better for us here. Haven't got the 10 cents yet, so still waiting. Alright, got a 92 print. I'm gonna get flat if it comes back to the whole number. So playing with the market's money here, definite 1 penny profit. So let's keep following the rules here, and this one will pay off. Almost up 15, and I'll get out with that 10 cents if anything. Alright, up 15 right there. So now my stop is 91. And I'll update here. Alright, almost got 20 cents. Basically there. And might just take my 15 right here, and that I will. So I'm out of there. Nice little almost 15 cent trade, 14 cents. Anyway, on to the next, guys. Just another example here why to use the profit taking rules. You see, if you would have kept staying, kept in this FCX here, you would have been stopped out. Those profits were on the table. Even I was saying 04, and that was actually the low here. So yeah, just another example there. I think DHR even just bounced back up. You see, it left money on the table on this one too. Profits were there. Take that 20 cents. Our market's kind of ripping right now. Strong positive ticker alert is all good. So I'm looking for some buy signals. Just looking around and looking for anything that's kind of weak. Anyway, I'll be back with another one, guys. There it is, a real strong positive tick reading 1,000. That's the highest one of the day. Ticker is mostly green. So I was just looking around through anything that I have. This MOS is weak, but I'm waiting for that buy signal. It seemed like it was gonna print, it never did though. So just staying out of this. And right now I'm just watching, I'm waiting, stalking. Alright, got filled here on this CTXS short here, and I'm going to try to get more at 40 cents. I got a little bit. This is a 50% retracement line of the sell signal candle at 32. That's where I got my fill. I got filled at 31. So very strong up move here. We're looking for a retracement probably to the whole number, or just a 50% retracement of this range from 60.19 to 61.48. So maybe a 75-cent move possible right here. Pretty thin stock as far as volume, and the spread is pretty ridiculous. Not one that I really like to trade. But this one really seems like it's going to work. That's why I got in. I'm not sizing up though, because I don't have the right risk. So if it hits 40 and I get a fill there, then that's basically where I want it, and my stop is a penny above that high. I'm not really going to follow profit taking rules on this 400 shares. I'll follow it if I get that fill at 40, which I might actually get it right here. Might get it there. Anyway, I'll update you guys here. It's, this might take a little while. Alright, just got filled right there. And like I said, very thin action here. I got pretty good size. My average is 37. It's not bad. It's about a 13-cent risk. My stop is out. Just gonna follow my rules here and take it from there. Alright, and just got stopped out of it. So not really Doesn't really meet the characteristics of a stock that I'd like to trade, but gave it a shot. It's a really strong up move here. They didn't follow the rules to the T. Well, as far as the profit taking rules and where I put my stops, like I said, the ideal entry would have probably been 40 cents at 40 cents, and we got a 29 print, I believe, so I could have put the stop to break even there, and I didn't. And so took the stop, no problem. On to the next. Our next idea, I shorted this HES. It's another pretty good sell signal there. I'll get more if this thing hits, fills me at 88. There we go. And my stop is out there, right at the whole number. And I'll update you guys here. Alright, here we go. Got myself 15 cents in the trade. And gonna look to take it off at 61 cents. Got the 20 cents here now. The 65 printed. Let's see if I get that fill. Basing it on this fast line moving average right there. Alright, that got filled. Nice trade there. Sized up. Even that CTXS worked. It's just, so thin. It popped through the highs. Was it 50? It popped through by 15 cents. Probably got everyone. And much lower. I think our average average was 37 cents. So there we go. 93. It's a 40 cent trade there. 50 cents. Anyway, on to the next one. It's only 10:40. Could get some more on video. I've been looking around. Don't really know what to do. Looking at Sprint. Some news came out on it. That's what they're talking about on CNBC. So I was just looking around and seeing what I should be stalking. The market's kind of just going sideways here in a tiny little downtrend. Nothing to be excited about here. So looking around, see what I could get. Might just call it a day. Anyway, I'll be back with something else, or I might just call it a day. Right now, Obama's speaking, and he's talking about the jobs number we get on Friday. So let's see if it wakes up the market, wakes me up maybe. Alright, found this AVGO. It's a pretty decent sell-off right here. I got long from 87. I look to get some more. Just want to make sure this buy signal prints here. I'm in ahead of it, so I'm already down a little. It's a very thin stock, light volume. But this is pretty much what I look for right here. Just wait for this one to print. You know what? Just from the slow movement, I got more shares now, and I'm giving it till the low that it just put in, a penny below that. So 77 stop, and my average is 86. So risking about 10 cents. So that printed there now, definitely very slow moving. I told you, and light volume. Spread's a little bit funky. I'll update this. To metal my criteria, just not really the volume, very light volume. Just an update. It's pretty much working. Could have got a better price. Could have got 80s or lower 80s. Here's one that didn't work. This is probably one that I would have taken. So this buy signal on rim obviously did not work. The low on the signal candle is basically the lowest price point in the area. Low is 0.5, and it obviously has gone through there. Would have probably stopped you out right away, and very small stop. You would probably lost like a penny or two. So this one's working. I'm thinking that it'll probably bounce up to this moving average, and that's where I'm looking to get out. So just showing you guys, you know, losing example. The system doesn't work all the time. Nothing works all the time. And if you think something works all the time, then you're wrong. And if you have something that works all the time, then let all of us know so we could all be billionaires. Anyway, I'll update you guys here. I'm up clearly 10 cents there. And let me put in my break-even stop just to, you know, protect my day. So I'll update you guys here. Alright, stock market's coming in a little bit here after Obama talks, or spoken, after Obama's spoken. My trade's still good here. I'm basically, you know, playing with the stock market's money. My trades for free. On pause, I'll update. This will probably be the last one. It's 11 o'clock and I want to get off here. It's kind of boring day. We get all the economic news is out of the way. There's nothing else to look forward to. Alright, just got me flat right here. So anyway, gonna call it a day. This is really extremely boring. If you're a day trader and you're watching this stuff, you're crazy. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, don't forget to hit up the blog. If you guys have any questions, click the contact button. I will get back to you. Make sure to hit me up on Facebook, guys. Click the like button over there. So that's it. Yeah, if you have any questions, click the contact button. I will get back to you. And today was, you know, it was an okay day. It wasn't all that great. The volatility, the way I see it, is basically ended last week, and this week is just a little bit worse. So yeah, also, you know, thanks for the support, guys. Don't forget the trading system is still half price, so if you're interested in it at all, click the contact button. I always get back to you guys pretty quick. And I will be adding I forgot to add it yesterday. I will be adding the tick label onto this the ThinkScripts page, so you guys get it for free. So thanks for watching. God bless you guys. Any questions, just hit me up. Take care. Thanks for watching.